Interesting thing which came out from the con call was they have compared themselves from Google and Amazon, how they are different from Google and Amazon. So Google में क्या होता है कि only 10 people who are listed, they end up getting the 90% of the business, the Pareto principle and everything. But this company has introduced the RFQ model, requisition for quotation, which is a typical B2B model. So B2B may everybody get a kind of equal footing. So they have been playing with this RFQ model since long back in 2012. And every buyer is up for grab by all kind of sellers. So it's a more of a democratic marketplace, and it's not a prerequisite that you are a platinum member. जैसे कि Amazon में we have Amazon ranking is there and their algorithm prefer who have paid them higher. So that case is not there structurally in INDIAMART. So that's a differentiating factor for them, which differentiate them from Google or Amazon. The interesting thing is says that people pay us money in the platinum and gold to come up. It is because more buyer can see them. So people pay for higher classes, higher tiers, so that more buyer can see them for visibility. But with the RFQ system, we ensure that each and every seller, if he's acting on the platform, if he is vigilant, there is no preference given to the platinum supplier against the silver supplier. So यहाँ पे they are playing the network effect game, network game actually. The platform should be like that, that we see that even Twitter and all those social media platform, they work on a principle of engagement. So this company is also working on that principle rather than on the commercial principles, which is like Amazon's business model. So different from Amazon in that way, they are rewarding engagement. So that's the unique thing which I found out about them. They are saying that those who are engaged better with the platform, they find the ROI good, so good that they become gold and platinum member. So it's a purely engagement based game, which is, I think, sustainable. So that's the positive which I found that in this business model. And also one more thing I came out that how IndiaMart onboard a company. The first time the buyer lands is probably because he's looking for something which he could not find, typically in his neighborhood, case one, or he's looking for a price, I mean a cheaper version, or he's looking for a customization. So these are the three things for which customer comes for the first time. But then he realized that all the three things are very good here at IndiaMart. And if he realizes that, and he realizes that 3 times in a row, क्योंकि वो 3 बार में ट्रायल वर्जन में करता है, मतलब as a paid free guy, then he becomes a regular buyer. Then he subscribes to silver and gold and all those tiers. This is the journey of a first time buyer. But IndiaMart was saying that they are not very bullish on first time buyers. अभी उतना growth नहीं है MSME में, and the penetration would not go sky high. He beautifully explained the business model, and the clarity which investor gets from this interaction is super. So I really admire watching this con call from IndiaMart, because he talks about very inside view, gives a very inside view to investors about this, how this whole thing is working. And he says that there are advantages and disadvantages both of being a horizontal. So this is a horizontal company, horizontal platform, and they have been both. Actually, उनके पास एक subsidiary थी Tolexo, which is a vertical transaction platform, while IndiaMart is a horizontal one. So it takes a really long time for horizontal to feel like a successful repeat platform. It takes very quickly for a vertical to do that. But at the same time, the number of total buyers that you attract, the number of total sellers that you can attract is very, very limited in a vertical form. So the revenue opportunity is lower. So very true about many companies like Coal Junction and all those Metal Junction who are specialized into metals, and some company like Infra.market. So they are specialized into infrastructure related B2B sales. So it's very easy to go deep down into value chain and make quick bucks, but the market TAM is limited for them. They cannot compete with these companies. So that's the hallmark of this marketplace.